Hi coders, CS Time channel here, and this video discuss about deletion in the middle of singling list. Suppose we are given a singling list like this that has element from A up to E, and we have a pointer that point to the first element or first node, which is head. Suppose you are given a data D here to be deleted from this singling list. To be able to do that, then we need the help of another pointer. In here, I use delete. I assign delete to point to the same node pointed by the head. I also need the help of another pointer. In here, I use help that also point to the same node pointed by the delete. Now, I need one of the pointer to traverse the singling list from the first node until the last node to find the data to be deleted. To do that, then I will assign one pointer delete traverse from the first node to the next node like this. As it traverses, it should check if the delete data equal to the given data here. Delete will keep on traversing the singling list until end of the singling list or until we can find the given data. When delete.data is not equal to the given data here, then we assign the help to point to the same node pointed by the delete like this. And then delete will check again the next node. Do the checking again if the delete.data equal to the given data or not. If it's not, then help should point the same node pointed by the delete. Do the same to the rest. Once it's find the data like this, when delete.data equal to the given data to be deleted, then we know that this node will be deleted. Before we delete this node, we have to maintain the change so that it doesn't break. To do that, we can tell the help here to point to the E here. To do that, we do help.next equal to delete.next. So it will form a change like this. Once we are in this condition, now it is safe for us to delete the delete node. So here is our singling list after deletion of the delete. Let's see the implementation in Java. In the previous video, we had learned how to delete the first node from a singling list. And then we also learned how to delete the last node from a singling list. Before we write how to delete a node from the middle of the singling list, let's run the previous program first. So in the previous video, we have this singling list, and then we assign instruction to delete the last node here. So the last singling list left like this, A, B, C, D, because the last node has been deleted. Now let's write the code on how to delete a node from the middle of singling list. So here, we don't need the return value, so we will just need void and then the name of the method, the value to be deleted. Here I use given. Now we will declare help as well as delete pointer. So we use single node here, help. We assign help with null, and then we have delete that point to the head. Now we will tell the delete to traverse from the first node to the last node. To do that, we need a looping while here. So we tell the delete to check if the next one not equal to null and the delete.data not equal to given here. Then we will assign the help pointer to point to the node pointed by the delete like this. And then we will tell the delete to keep on moving to the next. Delete equal to delete.next. Once we quit from the looping, the condition can be when our delete.next equal to null. So we will check here if delete.next equal to null means we are in the end of the singling list, then the possibility is we find the value. So it means we check again if delete.data equal to given, it means we find the data, then we will tell the help to point to the null. So when delete.next equal to the null, it means the node found in the last singling list. If we are on the last node, another possibility is we find the data. If we find the data, then we will assign the help.next to point to the null because the node to be deleted at the last node. If we are in the last, but the delete.data is not equal to given, it means we don't find the data. So we will just tell that the data is not found here. If we go back to this, if we are in the delete.next equal to the null, it means we are on the last node. The possibility we are on the last node, the data is all found or the data is not found. But if we are not in the last node, it means the possibility here is the data found in the middle. Then we need else here, tell the help.next to point to the delete.next. So if delete.next not equal to null, so the node found in the middle of the single linked list. So if the node found in the middle of single linked list, then we assign the help.next to point to the delete.next because we want to delete the node pointed by the delete. So here is the code. Now let's try to run it. So we will call it here sl.delete middle. Let's run. Here is our previous single linked list A, B, C, D, E. Now we want to delete the D. So this is after deletion. Let's try one more time here. I want to delete C, for example. Let's see. So now it left A, B, E. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe and like for more videos. Thanks for watching.